Hi everyone, join me to look around for new refrigerators. But right now, let's take a look some of the high-tech and fancy refrigerators. I don't know how many fancy did I mention in this video, but let's go. But first, thank you all for watching and have a nice day. And first refrigerator. This is so fancy. More fancy, everyone. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So fancy. So fancy. But look at this. And over here, look at this. Look at that. Ah. Oh my gosh. But let's check the price. Hold on. There's the side is the it will show up here the temperature and all that. But the price is $4,049. But it's really fancy. Fancy. This one is so fancy, everyone. Very fancy. There's all the apps. Amazon Music, clock, internet, Pandora. Oh my gosh. So fancy. But the price is also fancy. Very fancy. Very fancy. Oh my god, so fancy this one.
This could have TikTok.
Is there TikTok in there?
No, you need to download it.
And update all because you need to update all.
No, Mom.
Oh, the sign in.
What did you do?
So fancy. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, and there's also what do you call this one here? Speaker.
Mom, you messed it up.
So fun. So if you want all of this, you need to get the microwave and also the stove. My gosh, look at this. Oh, fancy. Buy Samsung. It's $1999. So fancy. It's Bosch, and that's the one right there. And the good thing on this one is there's two doors in the bottom. One is here, one is there, and there's another one in here. Another it's three doors. There you go. Fancy. It's the same as this one. Three doors. And then you can pick three color. Either this one is silver, stainless, black stainless, or Tuscan stainless. Color of the refrigerator. This one is Flex Sun Drawer. I don't know what is Flex Sun Drawer. Oh, this is the Flex Sun Drawer. Fancy. I guess that's fancy. Oh my gosh, it's really fancy. There's another small here. Oh my gosh. One. And there's the bottom. And this middle drawer. fancy. My gosh. And this is the, I think this is the black stainless color. It's the same. The same. My gosh, I like this. With another drawer here. I like this. Oh my gosh. But let's see. Board showcase. Oh my gosh, I like this. Look at that. So thick and heavy. Oh my gosh. Water. All this thing. But let's look the price. The price is $3,149. My gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so fancy. Look at this. There is 4 door. And it's also touch. The price is $3,299. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So fancy. Very, very fancy. And let's close that one. And there's also another open. Oh wow. Very fancy. Like that. There. This one is a little expensive because it's $3,299. Oh my gosh, this one. Oh my gosh, this one is so. Brand is KitchenAid. But look at this one. There's this one right here. Let's open. Oh my gosh, so fancy. Look at this. Look at that. I like this. And there's also another one right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. For those drawer. And then there's another one right here. And there's touchscreen also. Meat, cold, green herbs, deli cheese, and marinade. Like that. And let's look the price. $3,689. And the same is touchscreen. And let's open this. Oh my gosh. So strong. Very strong. Look at the removable ice bin. You open this one. Oh my gosh, where's the open? I don't know where's. I think this one is the open. I cannot open it. Oh my gosh, there's a measured belt calibration. This is really fancy. Oh my. And there is the, look at this. Put little stuff here, open it. You put something here and then close it. And then this one, another one here. Oh, this is so high-tech. Look at here. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So expensive. It's oh. I love this. But the price is also really good. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Okay. So this one is also KitchenAid. There is 3. There's 3. There's one right here. It's kind of tiny though. It's kind of tiny, but there's another one right here. then you open it. I wonder what is that for. There's another. Huh? I really like the one here. I really like here. And this one here is LG 2003-84. I like here is so huge, and so strong. I really like this glide drawer, glide insert drawer. Slim space. And there you go. They're all, this one, the brand on this one is Samsung. I don't know what is that. Take a look. This one, you push this one, you push and then the water will come out, or you go to the cube ice or crush ice, just push. 2429. And this one is LG, same price. This one is different. See that one? And this is really the one I like, but I already showed this earlier. Why I like this? Because of this one. This is the I like. You don't need to open the whole thing. You just grab the milk here or whatever in there. You need to grab, and you open another one. Or so fancy, very fancy. This one, squeeze and pull here. And also this, it said thin cube brush water. Oh my goodness, look at how big is here. So big, so huge. Pre-pelter. There's a pre-pelter. And it will lock. How it will see the number and then lock. Very fancy. Very fancy. Easy left. So on this here, this is the old, this is, if you want just a simple one, it's like 2-door. Right here is also just simple. And but the space is so big. Look at the space. And in here, let's go in here. The pictures you want. It's also big. Price $949. This one is so different. So different. Open it. The open is right here. You need to grab right here. It's huge. Grab right here, side. How big is that? My gosh. Oh my gosh, so big. It's different from this one, because this one mostly is we hold right here, but this one is right here on the side. This one is 1,439. So big. Big. Wow. I like this one. There's fruits and vegetable. This one is 854 only by Samsung. There is ice maker in there, and twin calling class. So big. Look at her, so big. There's a slide rich pantry here. Oh wow, fancy. There. This is refrigerators. Social mga bes. And this is my second. This is my second pick. The water. Fancy. Yes. And what's the price of that refrigerator? There's this one. Let's go this way. That's the price. And I like this very much. Fancy. There. And this one is just simple. Also high tech. There's a door alarm. This is the one. It's the one I'm going to get it. This is the refrigerator. We're gonna get it. Hi everyone, this is it. This is the refrigerator. Tun. Ito na yung aming nabili. Let's tour the new refrigerator na wala namang laman. Yan lang siya. Ayan, ang milk kasya dyan. Ang juice. Ayan lang ang laman. At dito, ayan, oops, ayan siya. And ayan ang freezer sa baba. Ayan, yan lang. Ito lang, itong kinuha namin. Hindi namin kinuha yung merong ano, yung filter ng ice. So